Hey guys, welcome to the 2 a.m. pipe on a patio afternoon edition. It is 4 p.m. here in California. Beautiful day. It is 82 degrees right now out here on the patio. It's hot. I am smoking my Oakland Raider pipe. This is the pipe that I usually smoke during the football games. This was made by Piping and Camping. He made this for me. I have not seen Piping and Camping in a while, and I need to get in touch with him. But Piping and Camping made this pipe, and it's got the Raider logo on it. It is awesome. It smokes great. It really does smoke great. And I love this pipe. But I usually don't video with this one because I usually smoke it when I'm watching or listening to the game, and I don't do videos when I'm in the middle of a game. This is my game pipe. When I got my Raider gear on, hat, jersey, got my Kenny Stabler jersey, my hat on, I'm smoking my pipe. Since we haven't had football, we've only had the draft to watch, and I've been wanting to smoke this pipe, but oh, what the heck, I'll smoke it anyway. Who cares if it's not football season yet? It's my pre-season smoke. I really need to buff this thing up. It's getting pretty. It's looking like a Raider pipe. Piping and Camping, thank you, brother. This is awesome. Well, one of my viewers asked me the other day, I don't know who it was, I thought it was VCR12, but I can't find the comment now to see who it was. I was just looking for it and I couldn't find it. They wanted to see what my everyday carry stuff is, because I showed my knife that I was whittling with. So I'm going to show my everyday carry, starting with my knife. I carry the Benchmade Presidio. It's a wonderful knife that does everything I have ever asked it to do. This knife has been with me forever. This has the metal sides on it. I can't remember what they call those now. And I also have the Presidio with the plastic sides on it. And I tend to carry the plastic one more than the metal one, for the simple reason that it's a little lighter, but the metal scales on this are really aggressive, and they tend to tear up my jeans because this clip is extremely tight on here, and I need to loosen this clip up. So if I could once I loosen this clip up, it'll be just perfect. But these scales are incredibly aggressive on the metal for this particular year of the model. So they tend to tear up the pocket of my jeans, but I still carry it. The other everyday carry thing I carry everywhere I go, I'm never without it, is this old 1964 Zippo lighter. This is old, beat up, ugly, and it reminds me of me. And even though it's old and beat up and ugly, it still works. And every time I light it and see it, it reminds me that I'm still going. I'm still here, I'm still going. I may be ugly, old, and beat up, but I'm still going. So this lighter here, it's 5 years younger than me. So this is what, 55 years old? But this one reminds me of me, and that's why I carry it. The other everyday carry thing that I always have on me is this Tamper from Bearded Tamper. It is a nice 3-inch Tamper that Bearded Tamper made for me. And I always have this in my pocket. I use a lot of different Tampers out here on the patio because I have a tray here that I bring out on the patio, and I have 3 or 4 Tampers on that at all times. But in my pocket I always have this Tamper and this lighter. They are with me always. This Tamper reminds me of good friends, solid friendships, and that there are few things in life more important than that. And that's pretty much all I carry in my pockets. I don't carry a lot of stuff in my pockets. I have, of course, my wallet. If I happen to be wearing a pocket watch, I'll have my pocket watch in my wallet in my pocket. Normally I don't have my pocket watch. In fact, all my pocket watches need work on them right now, so I need to take those in and get them fixed. But so that's my everyday carry stuff. So today did some trimming of the trees over there, and I got all set up for doing some Tampers here. I am all set for a while, I think. So I got to let these all dry out, and we should be up and rolling here in about a month or two. These should all dry out, and I got some large ones, thin ones, medium ones. It was nice. Got over there and trimmed up the trees. Trimmed about 4 feet off the bottom of the trees there. And came up with some good straight limbs that were able to be used for Tampers. So a couple of curved ones, I'll use those for myself because I kind of like the crooked, curvy. It'll be fun. I look forward to that. I got some thicker ones here that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna let them dry. I got a bunch of these. I'm gonna let them dry, and I may use the Dremel tool on these and see what I can come up with. These won't be just hand done, these will be done with the Dremel, and just to see what I can come up with. But those thicker ones, see what I can do with the Dremel. I'm not much with the Dremel, so no guarantees on that at all. But it'll be fun to mess around with. Give me something to do. Forgot to tell you, I'm smoking Mayor Pete in this pipe today. Oh boy, felt good to get over there and trim up that tree. It was driving me nuts. Still need more to do. I got a lot more to do on it. Cleaned up the neighbor's tree a little bit for him. His tree was down on top of his car. They could he couldn't even get his car underneath it. I mean, he could get his car underneath it, but it was down so low that they had to move the branches out. So I went over and cut some of his down, put it in our trash, or in our yard waste, so that he could get into his car at least. So he's good people, good neighbor. We share a driveway. You come up one driveway and then it splits off like that. And we got 2 pepper trees right here that have kind of grown together as one. It's massive. And they're right next to each other. There's a fence in between them that is pretty much non-existent. So when I was out there, I just went ahead and cut down all the branches on his tree that were keeping him from getting in his car. I got great neighbors, man. I really do have great neighbors. Not a complaint at all. So next week I will do some more trimming over there. There's some more to do, but I filled up my container. Anyway, so that's what's going on here. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Answer that question and show you the supply that I got going for Tampers there. So I will catch you guys later. Hope you have a good day. Love y'all. God bless. Have a good one.